SkillSprout was formed based on a dream of providing applied behavior analysis services in an effective and cost-efficient manner to families and children in need. SkillSprout staff have worked over the past decade with many children and family members affected by disabilities and have seen firsthand the frustration that comes from lack of resources and access to experienced professionals. We've also seen firsthand the successes that are possible when experienced clinicians who are trained in the science of applied behavior analysis work with families and other professionals in systematically reducing problem behavior as well as developing new skills in children with autism and other developmental disabilities. From the child who no longer engages in self-injurious or physically acting out behaviors, to the child who develops new social language skills and the ability to initiate and maintain conversations with peers, to the child who successfully potty trains. All from the expertise in the science of applied behavior analysis. We know from experience that all children can learn. It is our goal to help families and professionals gain valuable knowledge and intervention tools to develop meaningful progress on targeted objectives. Research has demonstrated early, intensive interventions increase outcomes in children with autism spectrum disorders. Early and accurate diagnosis of autism is an essential starting point for promoting successful outcomes in children with autism spectrum disorders. Early signs of autism can begin to be identified as early as 6 months of age. These are some of the warning signs. No big smiles or other warm, joyful expressions by 6 months of age or thereafter. No back and forth sharing of sounds, smiles, or other facial expressions by 9 months or thereafter. No babbling by 12 months. No back and forth gestures, such as pointing, showing, reaching, or waving by 12 months. No words by 16 months. No two-word meaningful phrases, without imitation or repeating, by 24 months. Any loss of speech or babbling or social skills at any age. SkillSprout Diagnostics offers a skilled team of clinicians with years of specialized experience in working with children with autism spectrum disorders and other developmental or learning disabilities. The SkillSprout Diagnostic Team includes Dr. Mary O'Brien, our PhD-level school psychologist, Dr. Michelle Verda Humphrey, our pediatric neuropsychologist, Maggie Bagley, our licensed clinical social worker, Leah Adamick, our board-certified behavior analyst, Jessica Bricker, our occupational therapist, Michelle Hines, our speech and language therapist. Our team offers a thorough and comprehensive assessment to differentially assess the child's disability. In addition to the diagnosis, children who receive services through our clinic receive a comprehensive treatment plan to assist families in planning for the child past the diagnosis. The SkillSprout diagnostic staff also assist families in tapping into community resources to assist in supporting the family and the child in all areas of necessary supports. SkillSprout International provides support to families and professionals internationally through their web-based trainings, direct services, and on-site consultation. SkillSprout International also currently has several research projects investigating effective training models and service delivery models for children with autism. Here are some of the research questions. Is social skills instruction with typical peers a more effective instruction model than social skills instruction without typical peers? Is applied behavior analysis an effective treatment for children with autism spectrum disorders in India? Is a blended online and in-person training program effective in development of ABA skills and techniques required to work with children with autism spectrum disorders? SkillSprout International works with families and agencies throughout the world to research and develop effective interventions and outcome for children with autism. In addition to SkillSprout International's web-based services, SkillSprout International provides direct services to children locally in Washington, Illinois. Through the hard work and dedication of our professional staff, the SkillSprout dream has become a reality, helping scores of families and their children worldwide realize a more productive, educational, and fulfilling life by nurturing and developing the skills and potentials in their children.